Hi everyone, it's Madison with Dirt Road Dancing, and today we're going to be learning Thicc As Thieves. This is an awesome dance. It's improver level, 32 count, 4 wall, and the best part is no tags, no restarts. If you haven't yet subscribed to our channel, click that link below. Otherwise, let's go learn the dance. All right, let's go ahead and get started with our first set of 8 counts. I'm going to turn around so you can see what my boots are doing. Starting with our weight on the left, we're going to do 2 kickball points. We're going to kick with our right boot and tap with our left. We're going to kick with the left boot and tap with the right. We're going to take a step with our right foot and we're going to pivot turn over our left shoulder. Okay, we're going to do a half turn. Then we're going to take another step with the left and we're going to 3/4 pivot turn. So now we're facing our 9 o'clock wall. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and throw some counts on that. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4. Step 5, turn 6. Step 7, turn 8. Let's go ahead and get started with that second set of 8 counts. We just came out of the pivot turn. Our left is crossed over our right. We're going to bring the right heel together and we're going to heel swivel to the right. For heel, toe, heel, toe. We're going to kick that right boot out, bring it together. We're going to kick the left boot out, bring it together. We're going to scuff that right boot and we're going to stomp it. Let's put some counts on it. Our left is crossed over our right. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, and 7, 8. Okay, it's time to put it all together. Our first 16 counts. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4. Step 5, turn 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, and 7, 8. Moving on to our third set of 8 counts, we just came out of our scuff and stomp. We're going to shake those hips on the right forward for 1, 2, and then back 3, 4, followed by 2 body rolls, forward, back, forward, back. Let's put some counts on it. 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, roll 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, it's time to put those first 3 sets of 8 counts all together. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4. Step 5, turn 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Step 7, 8. Hips 1, 2, 3, 4. Roll 5, 6, 7, 8. It's time for our last set of 8 counts. You guys are almost there. I'm going to face the 12 o'clock wall so you can see what my boots are doing. Then when we count it out, we'll actually be on the 9 o'clock wall. So our last set, we just finished our body roll, body roll. We're going to take a step back on the right, take a step back on the left, a step back on the right, step back on the left. We're going to step out with the right, step out with the left, and then shake it for our last 2 counts. Let's put some counts on it. Facing our 9 o'clock wall, we just finished the body rolls, stepping back on the right. 5, 6, 7, 8, back 1, 2, 3, 4, out 5, 6, shake 7, 8. Okay, you guys, it's time to put all 32 counts together. We're going to do it slow, and then we'll do it to song tempo. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4. Step 5, turn 6, 7, 8. Heels 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, and 7, 8. Hips 1, 2, 3, 4. Roll 5, 6, 7, 8. Back 1, 2, 3, 4, out, 5, 6, shake, 7, 8. Really good, you guys. Okay, let's do it to tempo. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4. Step 5, turn 6, 7, 8. Heel, toe, right, left, scuff, stomp, hips, 1, 2, 3, 4, roll, 5, 6, 7, 8, back, 1, 2, 3, 4, out, 5, 6, shake, 7, 8. Awesome job, you guys. You did it. You just learned the line dance Thicc as Thieves. If you're ready to stomp it out, go ahead and click the video and let's go dance.